Hi, it's Nørgaard. I am so happy to finally be back with a new fashion video. It has been way too long. You guys like the new black background? It makes me look very pale, but I am actually this pale. I am this pale in real life. I am very white. So it's actually accurate. I just have to get used to seeing myself be so pale on camera. So in today's haul I'm going to show you guys a few different outfits from the Cassie x Fashion Nova collection. This collection is a few months old now. I wanted to get it out sooner, but I've just had so many things that needed to get done, and you know, my move and starting up university again and my camera breaking, just so many things that I've had to take care of. But I'm really glad that today is the day. And for those of you who do not know, I have started a new fashion Instagram page. I will link it down below in case you're interested. But anyways, let's get started with this haul. Okay, so first thing is this jumpsuit. This one is my least favorite piece because it's not super great on a tall body frame like my own. The crotch to shoulder length, it's just too short, so it gives me the worst camel toe of my life. Like, it is beyond a camel toe. It's like a full-on wedgie. Like, it borderline hurts to wear this. I got this in a size large. Usually in Fashion Nova I'm a large or an extra large, but I have lost quite a bit of weight recently during my little break from YouTube. So I'm about a large right now. And this jumpsuit, it fits beautifully everywhere else, but it's just too short. So if you're my height, 5'10", or any taller, and probably also even if you are a bit shorter, like a few inches shorter than me, I would be very hesitant with this jumpsuit because there is no stretch whatsoever. It's actually a very nice feeling, like kind of heavy and thick material, but that unfortunately also means that it has no stretch, so it doesn't work for me. By the way, this is called the Work It Girl jumpsuit in olive, and this retails at $44.99. It has some detailing, like some pockets and some zipper pockets up here, and it is really cute. Unfortunately, it's just too short. So next up we have a set, and this is black. I didn't think about that. That's of course going to be very hard to see because of the black background, but of course I'm going to try it on and show you guys in that manner, so hopefully we can work through it. So this is the skirt. It's black with a gold zipper going all the way down, and this zipper does work, so you can potentially zip it all the way up here to the elastic waistband. It also has pockets and a few details on the sides. It's a nice length. It's not too short. It's not a mini skirt. It is a midi skirt. I really like that because mini skirts tend to just be too short on me. It's not double lined, but it is rather thick, so I don't find it to be see-through. I really like this skirt. It's super comfortable. I wore this with a different top than the one that goes with it, and I thought it looked really good. It's, I don't know, it's, you know, kind of simple, but because of the different gold detailing and the pockets, it has a little extra spice to it, so it's not totally boring. And actually I just checked the tag on the top, and it says it's called the Come Find Me set. So I guess you buy these two pieces together. So this is the bottom, and then this is the top. Again, I'm sorry, it's hard to tell how it looks because of the background. But yeah, the top is very interesting. It has a choker up here. It's not very tight at all. It has nice stretch, and then you can see it's very skinny going down, but then it comes out at the boob area. I think the top is fine. It's not my personal favorite piece. It's not my own personal favorite crop top. I think the kind of cut, it goes well with the kind of a little more edgy skirt, so I think they complement each other. And I got this set in a size large. It cost $49.99. I like it. Oh, and by the way, this belt with some gold detailing comes with the set.
Looking past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. It was supposed to be the one to take every last pain.
Okay, so next up we have like maybe my favorite piece, I'm not quite sure. I really like, well, actually I like kind of the next three outfits I really like. Okay, so this is a 4-piece set. It is called Where's My Butler in the color rose gold. I got it in a size large, and this retails for $69.99. This is not the kind of outfit that I really think is flattering on me, but I simply like it because I love the thought of it, even though I don't really think it flatters my body that well. But I love, you know, the fake little like kind of feathery look. I like the look of the fabric. I like the fact that it's the long pants and the little crop top and then the beautiful duster jackets. So let me show you the pieces individually. So these are the pants. These are pretty long. They are kind of wide at the bottom. They are a very kind of slinky material. They do have stretch, but they are very form-fitting. So I definitely have to wear my shapewear with this. The top looks like this. It's just a very tiny little crop top. It is double lined at the front. I would probably still wear this with a little strapless bra underneath it, but that's more so for support than for coverage. And the straps are not adjustable. They do have stretch though. The top is kind of tiny. It's on me, this is kind of like a boob top because it only just covers the boobs. And I do prefer my crop tops to be a bit longer, but I think with this outfit it works. And then this is of course the best piece of this set. It is of course the duster jacket, and it has the kind of feathery detailing on the cuffs and also all the way around the bottom. And it's open, but it does come with a belt, so you can tie it. It really, yeah, it reminds me of like some kind of high class, high society lady with a butler. So I think the name is very fitting. Yeah, I really like it.
Nothing on our loving, maybe time told us that we were different. Didn't break you down.
Okay, this next piece I also love. I love the jacket. Like, the jacket just blows my mind. So let me not even fool around, let me just show you. Okay, do you guys see this? Do you see this awesomeness? So this is called the Powerpuff set. I got this in taupe and I got it in a size large, of course. It retails for $59.99, and I would buy this set solely for the jacket. The jacket is so freaking cute. I am obsessed with these big sleeves, like just the overflow of material. I feel like it looks super high fashion and I love the material. It's kind of thick and kind of like a little bit spongy actually. It feels kind of like, you know, a beauty blender actually. Weird maybe, but that's what it reminds me of. As you can see, it is a cropped jacket. It has the black zipper. Oh, it's gorgeous. It has a little bit of a collar up here. This jacket is just stunning. The pants, I'm kind of like, you know, okay, I can take them since they come with the set, but I'm not really that obsessed with them. These are basically cigarette pants, so they are kind of skinny at the ankle. and just they're pretty basic, the same color and material, same feel, with some good stretch, and they are pretty high-waisted. And I mean, with the jacket it looks really nice, but without the jacket these are pretty boring, I think. I don't know, what would you guys style with these pants? Because I have no idea.
Staring at the ceiling, fighting off the fear.
Okay, so I have one final outfit, and this is like something that's gonna slap if you wear this out for like a party, going clubbing, just any kind of night out occasion. I think this is going to look sickening. So it is a shimmery metallic dress. It is called Classy Woman Maxi Dress in the color silver/black. Got it in a size large. It retails for $59.99. And oh my god, it's so gorgeous. This one is completely see-through all the way down, except over the bust where it is lined with some kind of nude colored fabric. This is freaking gorgeous on. It looks so incredible. Like, I love the little, you know, all the pearls. Can you see all the pearls running down here in like this kind of like an antique gold color, and then all the silver thread. Oh, it's so gorgeous. It does come with this little panty that you can wear underneath it. So it's just a high-waisted panty. And this is just gorgeous in my opinion. I cannot wait to wear this out. I do have a few parties coming up, so I'll see if I don't get a chance to wear this because it's gorgeous.
One more minute, 'cause I just don't wanna come down, don't wanna go.
So those were the 5 outfits that I got from the Cassie X Fashion Nova collection. So I will link all the pieces down below. Hopefully they're still available. I actually haven't checked, and this collection is rather old, but I hope some things are still available.
To how I used to be.